and aligning content creation with market demand. By addressing long-standing structural barriers in distribution and audience engagement, Agenda 1% is designed to unlock investment, drive consistent revenue, and ultimately reposition the Ghanaian film industry as a sustainable and competitive sector. Let me run through some of the steps we are planning to embark on. Firstly, we are prioritizing policy and regulatory strengthening. A predictable and transparent regulatory environment is essential for growth. We are working to enhance film classification systems, improve compliance, and create conditions necessary for both local and international investment. At the same time, we are engaging stakeholders and international investments on policy reforms that will support tax incentives, co-productions, and structured industry financing. Secondly, we are investing in talent development and capacity building, just like we saw on stage before I came up. The quality of our output will ultimately depend on the strength of our people, and we are taking steps to work with training institutions and industry partners to develop programs that strengthen skills across the entire value chain, from writing and directing to technical production and post-production. Our focus is to ensure that Ghanaian filmmakers are not only creative, but also globally competitive. And also thirdly, we are addressing one of the most critical gaps in the industry: distribution. Without effective distribution, production cannot be sustained. The NFA is actively engaging cinema operators, broadcasters, and streaming platforms to improve access for Ghanaian content. We are also working to expand exhibition infrastructure and create pathways for Ghanaian films to reach both domestic and international audiences. Fourth, we are focused on industry financing and investment mobilization. Beyond the Film Development Fund, we are working to position film as a viable investment opportunity. This includes engaging financial institutions, encouraging private sector participation, and supporting the development of bankable film projects. And so the long-term sustainability of the industry will depend on our ability to attract and retain investments. Finally, we are committed to global positioning. Ghanaian stories have value, but they must be developed, packaged, and distributed in ways that allow them to compete internationally. We are facilitating partnerships, supporting participation in international festivals and markets, and promoting Ghana as a destination for film production and co-production. These priorities are not isolated. They are interconnected. Together, they form the basis for a deliberate strategy to transition Ghana's film industry from fragmentation to coordination and from potential to performance. To sum it all up, the role of government is to provide policy direction, regulatory clarity, and targeted support. The role of the private sector is to invest, innovate, and scale. The role of filmmakers is to create high-quality content that meets the expectations of both local and international audiences. When these elements come together, the industry works, the industry will thrive. As we look ahead to the operationalization of the Film Development Fund, in the second quarter of this year, the focus must be on readiness. Readiness of projects, readiness of institutions, and readiness of the industry to utilize this opportunity effectively. This is a moment that calls for discipline, coordination, and a long-term perspective. If we get this right, which we will build a sustainable, creative economy that creates jobs, drives tourism, strengthens cultural identity, and contributes meaningfully to national development. I encourage all of us gathered here today to move beyond dialogue and take concrete steps toward building the industry we all want to see. Thank you for your attention. God bless you. God bless our film industry, and God bless Ghana. Thank you.
And thank you very much. Wow. Mr. James Gardner, Deputy CEO, thank you very much. Shall we give him once again a big applause for a nice presentation? Now we are on for much discussion. There is a lady here. My catcher said, "May know a case." The main case in India, don't me yamishi. It's a fache. Ama, give it up. Ama, is a writer, you know. Ama, also, you are fache or the Benjamin. Tenebra, no form it here. We are fetching. Why was a fache? Mama won't tell me. Into my Mensanka. Without much ado, Yabode, the man of the moment, still, Umbasima Yabode, Mami. Oh, my bro. Yeah, thank you very much. The CEO of Merit Funds, Tash, Mr. Tash, are you here? Yeah, that's Tash, the CEO of Marriage Funds. Tash, the man of Sabaka, my balance. Yeah. And we have the man, and obviously, why use anything? I'm saying anything. Now, Mr. Mababa Gogo. I got checking. Say your friend Bible when you Joseph or say, oh Bible, give it up to what you say. Ah, Brother Joseph. Yeah. And then Menyaji because squad because I'm body in the cruise make up a take, you know. Also, secure one of them for security reasons, but nature. Oh, the Kalakumase, Momose Makalakumase. Yeah. Erama. Oh, how we saw no 1 2 1 2. Erama. Can you give it up to Erama? Obviously, we are no 1 2 1 2. 1 2 1 2. Mr. Governor Poku and your man Tampa. God bless you. I am a free force. There are more as I'm going on. I'll be introducing them to you. Ladies and gentlemen, let's call upon Martha Joyce. Also, so they make up. And you'll be able to make a 20 years. 26 20 then. 28 years. Thank you. Why honest? With interest, picture. Other cash or in kind. Akaba.
Obviously, from my fire, some work as your palm, Frank Taylor. Yamamuna, a purpose going in Shramo. Someone to me, Namobetai, Ashanti Regional Minister, Dr. Frank Amwako, Mobetai Nechi. I'm an boy, interested in a teaching you anything to suffer when your mom and our brother. A bit more wide, some more busy schedules are and so. Yan, you let me out of more offices, not get them by and now more man industry meeting. For much of the entry about a panel discussion. You begin to come film industry. And you might have said, yeah, give it to me a map movie industry, no economy. There was a free. There was a couple, there was a young one. Baby, I say a partition more if you say a money home. And I hear you teach you make also. I was a tenant in a home, I hear you went through a home combo and I hear by the church. Timadaro, my men said, read the name, the Kyekyeku name, my program. Now, to make an eye, ye boom, ye know, not a Kaye mine, and so a brain tea. Ye can't book Naya Yellow. It's your Wakudama, ye know by baby to me, Mr. Momadaro, and the Motina. Nowadays, a work as a pa, Ama, more upper stages, so I'm not ashes of wine or chuma. Dear Otikai, a mere Bema, and then also baby a cantian wine, where there's one obedi. A year, Miamia Bema, you didn't crying, and I bet you Masia. Yadina James Gardner. It's a wonderful form. And you don't go any baby to me. Me and my tea. Louise Lamaze. James, the woman is saying, "Benefits and support." A graduation, the bottom, into the action of Betana. Louise Lamaze is one winning. Or director, or acting, or ye makeup, or ye name. Frank, the big kind. But your answer for me, a woman, me, I'm a fighting partner. Zachariah Abubuhai. Someone from Ashanti Chairman, Ashanti Region. And Namiame Papa, Kumawood Ashanti Film Association Board Chairman, Reverend David Ofori Edu. I'm going to pay one is a one we are not to press. One also the Tokwa would Patapa. Sir Chairman, everybody was one in the secretary in the number. If he said, it's a question of Free Minister Catcher. Or maybe a little bit a year more, and the Amami doing it. Dear Pastor Boka Sepama, or Rami Manuel, or Boku Amami. Pamachaya come on the moment and answer Boka Sepama. Mirano, the Mamona Aquaba. It will be a better than was simply where they go to get the country I elected. Your friend has said, the other woman that you from a moment away. I'm not much at your topic I am to kind of rebuilding a sustainable local film ecosystem. Rebuilding a sustainable local film ecosystem. How do you? What are you? What is that saying?
The castle rebuilding India. na asate se na abelo sisi se ye mi speech na mi kan ma ye ati enti ye nhwe kwan a ye be fa so a ye be sisi sa adena na wo na atete makaka si ye ka wo kasa ni na afia ye we building a sustainable eco-film system over rebuild here be and I'll be sisi and na ye usisi we a kwan ben and now the first one over bomb by say adeni po e betimi agina na nan so ache e hwesi for years see a metumani a ani ato me ma memories see again any you share the number of years away production and currently productions are usu oya. It tells you that one there was CC there na e wo no two yes buying boben ya de be born said e be ya e brebi a e da ye ni ensa en obodo enti sini adwuma ya ye tesi ano atete makaka e kwan be na ye be fa so ahye nkana ye wi a ne abon ho ban said that chima so e be nya ho fa so
ye da se patoko mai mo yen se mo ma Zach me question na edikai about what makes a healthy film industry ecosystem?
Thank you. Good answer. Ecosystem, you can see more ecosystem. A trend near my own I was said it was silly a human and son is silly human to be able to come. Sabaku anyone, Baku Ejina in ye. Seven said, Uton Abetia. Now, a more moody abetia anywhere. A dressed abetia ecosystem, and you're complete. I was saying, in young or more a producer, Bantino, and a blue. In young or more can abetia. In young or more went to Buddha, or Bob the Rama for Ato Abetiano, near young or more with Abetiano. Say, Nina, a young and my friend. Science lessons, what producers, herbivores, carnivores, consumers, those terms. It is senior human. Yenya sa apaponi na ebemwa. Sa mre na ye kase sinino ecosystem no e healthy. E gina brane. If you say mucha sinino na omo betu omo beton no anywhere. Sini edwuma de enyina brane se gadifo no ho babo ho dewu e wo ho na atofo no eni ho a sini edwuma de enyina brane se atofo e wo ho na mo a mo betwa mo a mo bedwene akere stories mo a mo be production se mo sumu di ho a e kire se sini edwuma no enyina brane e kire se enye healthy so ye nya sa ne ma nyina se de ka ne Ghana bia wo ye kejetia market. Our producers, our writers, now man for two cinema, not radio stations, any TV stations, poor advert, put the room. Or when you know Kabuma, and your friend cinema ecosystem. Now, then you know the woman, a just a cinema, a Gina Brand.
But I say, not Okasa, but Okasa, what you say, cinema, ye too. A bit Gina Brand, just again, I a couple.
Yes, this yeah, a year you know, you may be a call. And my from to them, and be so one. Obi a person to say anti SSC, Obi a person to say miracle films. But among the ready said, Obi because the tone and car, and my friend, Omusia Silinica acting, production, writing, you know. Nanka almost judge marketing from how to hype. Send over hype Sinino Amayato. It is the best of the say Ghana and now Ashanti, yes, anyone imagine. I just said, yeah, yeah, or bet to a was said. Sino judge, Sino,
so good, you will make a crowd. I was here for the person Kyekyeku original near the Anity Madi Sano. Yeah, Papa, Ashanti Regional Minister, Dr. Frank Bobby Agya, and some wonderful form. akwadanya nsafo no abredi obeso oka obia bom oka obia batane ho eno nti na movie industry especially Ashanti region yeda na Kumawood no eno nti na enne watum na asi wo se yenye film summit emfa moa ya film industry mama yemo yensam kase pa fa no na bra yele ma na kwaba Doctor, any day my senior mama baba. I can't take it, kaya event. Zach and Pachawana over to us, mama.
Okay, so I'm the cousin. Let's see our partner say Ghana City and Ashanti, my senior human being in Abraham. If we say, you walk among stories and yawo omo acting ana yawo omo twa camera yawo omo do music shape etwa sine no ana yawo omo atu omo asiwo sine hu twadie omo ya research asua kwan ya befa so hype sine aton sine amade watwa no obenya ba bi aton no yawo omo hwe esine no ana kopem se ye behwe amaganafo ene wiase na yebenye nipa on behwe yesini yebenye nipa on beton yesini yebenye nipa on be hype yesini yebenye nipa on be share stories on be acting on be directing yenya we munyina pepepe sabre no ena na ye ka se yesini adwuma no agina brand ecosystem no aye healthy
medase kuma to kuma yemo yensam kanza please. How can we collaborate between, or how can there be a collaboration between the filmmakers, stakeholders like the government, investment, etc., and especially our distributors? How can there be a collaboration?
Hello, yeah. How can there be no? Editing kaka, and to share arts from visual and audio visual. I come say Yamamre Ebeka Mayenchima Abisuna Ebeka Mayenchima Abisuna art in the come on, Yamachima. Indeed. The Korea, if you know, and I said, the UK, a whole bunch of others. Because the school Chayama markets, you know, the determine the future of culture. And the movie you call Morocco. But senior Morocco, Ama. It is Morocco, your pyramid. But senior for Egypt, I'm a who said the pyramid at here. Yeah, Ghana, the person, yes, the Pagana, number one. Yeah, the person, Chima, a who father, Sanama, we in Germany, it is shared. And the artists. The people are waiting to share some way. I'm a writers. The writers in America. The cinema camera for the one of the day. More cinemas kakra 3-4-2 but I said it's one of the others and I always said the fact that ecosystem in the people you need any of what they need access I clearly account for that come and make producers what and be able to stand Sika investors who may know more
But Ghana problem then they say, adwene no ate ho da ɛna body ne da ha ɛna mogya no egu bucket mu si to question is say ɛbɛyɛ dɛ na ne nyinaa ha ne nyinaa body baako pɛ ɛna tumi bi sɛ ɛgyina aban period aban ɛna ɛbɛtumi kasa ayɛ nhyehyɛeɛ pa ko obi do koko ɛwɔ ne class aban na ɛbɛtumi kasa yɛmfa koko board ɛmbra ɛyɛ kwan ɛbɛfi ɛfo no abɛsi kwan yɛ yɛmma cars ɛnyɛ available abɛfa koko no ɛde aba ha yɛpɛ atɔfoɔ wɔ germany wɔma aban ɛyɛ saa nhyehyɛeɛ kogya no ebi ha ne wei no aban na ɛyɛ green ɛtumi aka nyinaa bɔ amerika bɛyɛ one body ɛtumi aka nhyɛ yie.
Please, may I say, and I will share with you. Now, only the way said, I'm finding to the share. And for years, I am going to be saying about relationship.
The friend said, he said, and obey I. Said the story. I mean, he said, I was a campaign. It's a plan. A plan that the policies is not functional. The intention is to 7. The young man, from what I will get to say no more. One thing, what you want to small percent of women, and I want to get no more than I have to say this. Because the premier, 21% fast. Senior, maybe they are getting up to control, and I say, they are so to you. Maybe basically, a friend number for senior business, who many thousand, and 200 amount, or during a sheet. Who was out to send it? Maybe they believe. And the ambassador message a balance money, and so just as it said, we are very they are 1% of their mayor. And she's only a maker via Sancho. It is a day that was set on me to be cut for tears. Okay, they are reacting for what can you have on the ice? And they are one.
Please, maybe I will free parents and everything. The extent she really for one industry. And the question is our answer. The way she say I make you now, you want I should never go the kind of one. Maybe I make a say, I want to share 1 year the whole business. That kind of one woman say individual responsibility. I was saying, and the person say, how do we accept funding and grants to support the building industry?
Question now, Usam, on behalf of producers, and answer, are you asking as NFA access? That's it.
I'm asking as NFA access funds.
NFA?
Yes, because now you are our authority. The producers spread media, one of the active ones. The visa support office.
First off, the government individual, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, the finance minister, have like 20 million cedis. That is one way of looking at it. Our pocket, meaning our company, I used to say, industry, our battle, to say the way it is here. On one substitution, we say, yeah, industry, it can be done. Apart from that, also, yet you can say they rely solely on government because government responsibility to be for other institutions or organizations outside are going to be on the ticket of the government to solve for funding. Then I guess that's what I was
and what times and seasons. Maybe I will start around 1 hour and for almost animation. Maybe for women and empowerment. It is for us to read the weather and know us as when we can jump on board. Here too, I just got from your head for me, Filmmakers, he said, ABC and other. They are all the producers as a organization. And I said, between the age of 19 and last year, and your criteria, the digital funds. And no area, and just say when you start, why any problem? It is the money is not even the problem for me now. In Juma and Waba, as I say, first of all, in the months, there were 2026, where I received just 10 years, 12 years, and then suddenly, just this year. They rely only on grants or sharing your producer. Producers also this. If I inquire a share, let's say we sell how many dollars we share in the past month. Put me can't share the second more than 5. That's the problem we have. But if you better something, say, all other improved other countries, almost releasing visa, they can make up and then negotiation. It's first of all, as I see a training of all industry from crew to actors, to promoters, marketers, distributors, everybody has to go their role to play in the new way or system of filmmaking. For the to business. And that's how they are sharing so implemented.
And Sunday, no, the idea that open and yeah, Filmmakers. I came here, you want to find my then Supana, the deputy, I walk down, then you were self remember. He was put back. Say, any day am I home? Any day am I a human? Obia, Obia, was wishing. Also, who says, I'm for free. Only for 7 previous. Omo Omo if the crowd saying you have to be answers. Omo drama books of secondary school, the friend of LG. Now, Oko houses here, listen, and my friend who's a good job in LG now, and several Omo Becca Power, 7 previous, and share the money. Now, Sarah Agya and other people to my phone. Yeah, you will be making a name that the waiting ladies I can every it's a papa said, Obi to come. And now the years is every over to the abroad. Who is our condition? Who is serious, serious business. Then the list has said that young people folks, the nigger says, will be for pen pushing a year, it's been one time. Essence, who could be very interesting. A just a human, I will say that one. The movie, welcome when you said the reason, anti-racism miracle forms. You have more money answer the social responsibility. I'm sorry, any schools, any day, what's that? The day you will never perish. Said the minister, I didn't come to Ashanti, because you're moving now. The minister, and I believe. I think I show seriousness. I was saying, yes, I know. Let's have a phone with the agent. I'm going to say, the judge our degree, the judge our certain papers, and then people who be again, and I'm going to see and then Agya to my follow a fast people, a better the SSM funding will be easier for us.
Thank you. Reverend. The question is, so we are papa here said, we need to carry who this is training and so who this is one of the women who are training who never degree. The minister said, what are the economic opportunities open in the film
economic opportunities there. Now that Considia is the time, and is there on and for the work of the but the American or Hatcher was interesting. You take this, you try. Number one, education. Number two, essentially entertaining. But the reason we should trade money, the conform. I gave you guys a conform. Let's just say, I can't share. I was trying to the American has said, Abra, that is the public science. Abra, and friend. Now you can double war and this is the beer. He has been if something that Emma, the teacher, the way that Yes, you hear the beer tree. Then, senior election. If you can share now back in the channel of the pool, you never can pay a pass. You can say it now. The idea economic benefit I from the set. At the papa and the papa. Idea a twofold. A share problem. A clear abroad in public affairs. A nation very good not about the IT. No matter every football. You lose confidence. Oh, yeah, Ghana is senior. You and only yeah. For instance, you see a friend say, Usu Abobo. Obi a wani si Ghana India says, or person say, Abawo. And all yes, that's the seven. I am the man of I am actually the I am the politics, the other to be your own pen answer. Open the best or just the type of films and kind of producers and actors 3 years. And yeah, if meeting the standard will be open of your power or better. It already Nigerian film, no system, only education, couple of hours. What is Ghana film? Will be on them maybe Ghana film, yeah, but if you are a guy, the name is Lilwin. In your appointment will be a lawyer at the office, and now I'm saying, well, I said, I'm sure Kumawood film, that's my guy. He said, Georgia, and Portia, Switzerland. The certain one of churches and one sound poverty. I'm not going to read our part, one of the dress at the bottom of my head. And then the movie and the mind of us. I like him. I am on myself. I have myself. It doesn't help the society. Now you can't work in the bank, we friends of the people around this agriculture, we refer the caption. On the caption now, and content editorial. A word. The quality of film, quality of anything. Go to the next my words. The quality of the Ghanaian system today is a soft standard. A young people say. In the end, training education and acting. And again, every time they can have it. I said, the answer for creativity. It will be able to do. With the man, they are so good. We need training in the theological basis. I said, and we do that from the churches. And so we are training when you offer for yourself. But when you have theological training, and one of the students will tell you, when you want to come, it's talent and education. You will be able to rubbish. Rubbish is our money. You have to make it. nature the quality of the production has been assessed. And then finally, I'm so for the project. So, I'm way and the last one over. Agya I come and as transform general kind of said. Push it. I'll be blind here. But this time, there is something like the environment said, the NS, NS, Ghana Football Association. NS, yes, whom the regular teach how protocol and how to food and will play by the rules or the nature. NS, when it domains, directors, the producers, the actors, the scriptwriters, whatever. Who knows the but those structures are weak, the domains are weak. And you have a problem with us, and weak. The domains is weak here. And the reason is show me an organogram of a domain model. Let me say, pour your domains and ask them for the organization. I'm making the organic charge. It's not a system. In accordance nobody controls anybody. It's like Kumawood. And then it's like Aroma. Kumawood, in leadership, will be your boss, will be your control, will be your employer. When the house is in that will be your boss. There's no connection, there's no respect, there's no unity. Why there's no connection, no unity, no respect? How can you do the house? That's another one that has anger and joy that the way.
Thank you, Reverend. And someone from Likee team. Madaruma Nanka, I have a last question. Nanso sa question yi yenu anu mema me ne omote ha. Obi ene ho betime yi anu ama me. Enti me next set no and I maybe sa question. Madaruma iba ma kwaya mama bisa questions nanso emre nti me come next topic na ya discuss here so that be ya ye kwaya bisa questions na empanifo no omote ha na and I mean, the next topic, and to the same move and chain, and was our finest. James, now they were from Kyekyeku. Now, that's our crime 3 years. But what being said, what being said, you are discussing about film policy, copyright, and industry regulation. Maybe say your film policy. Copyright for your new muti to master there was a new muti nana. And now your regulation here regulating the film industry nana. And if you pay the party hating Mataruma, said you're Reverend Ekano, Omonanka, Aya Jamo. I almost ready bananka ye suti. James measures everyone. What are the film policies? What are the regulations that governs the film industry? As well as, is there any copyright policy as well for the film industry? Thank you.
100%. Before I answer some question, for being friend, we say, be an India, Pacho, we have a papa. Into the, let us just fix the rightful titles in order.
Chop money, Alabama, Papa, why
okay, an example I'll give is you can have the smartest teacher teaching the students, and you know when you're not the best person. That doesn't go to mean say teacher and answer school and never. There are differences, and in all of the other institutions that are under NFA also have their governing boards and heads. So it is not a direct finger pointing to NFA. We can do our very best and dish out instructions. But if the The leaders of all of these institutions under NFA are not doing the right things. An example is our Actors Guild being in court for how many years?
So many years.
So many years.
Over 10 years.
It is now that there has been a ruling. If all things being equal, they did their homework and then they kept the room safe, there wouldn't be lack of all these complaints, and our Actors Guild will be active, and there will be a better relationship between NFA and actors than now. After a re-election to find another president for Actors Guild, we came to meet the problem. Some of these problems, here and the 2 years. Yet to be solving problems in 1 year. We can start laying the foundation and softening the grounds. A family embryo, for now, it may look say, maybe our things are weak, maybe in your perspective. If you have any meetings are back out and say, you know, we are born, say, and chance, I won't come out to report it. If things go left, it will look like a disappointing performance. It's a no. We are doing everything we can do to strengthen every institution. When we came into power, Zach is my witness. We had a stakeholder engagement with all of the institutions. We spoke about their problems. And again, problems waking everybody now, yet to be Cassia Somini and then any Ochina.
This is number one. Okay. Now to move to your question about copyrights. The new Ministry of Communication and Digital Innovation, together with NMC and NCA, we had series of meetings as to how I can tighten and pull up the industry space. So that they are going to be releasing the movie now, while you see TV channel, it's not allowed. There are measures being put in place, which are yet to fully yet, but as Crowd said, they are finding the manpower of people that can coordinate with all of these TV stations. Ending of this month, we are meeting every TV station. So well, it means that you are going to face a lot as it stands, because there are a lot of things that are going to be addressed there, a lot of directions and a lot of laws that are going to be given to all of the TV stations. After that, we will have engagement series with producers, directors, every arm and branch that makes filmmaking successful. We are going to have that. Will be every movie about outside and not just the way a lot of TV stations operate digitally. Before, every TV station, over the station will have on a set way, so it's easy to track them. Getting for a TV station, actually, we are basically on our meeting, our copyright in Rana on the movie. It is now time for us to sit down with NCA, sit down with MMC, sit down with the Ministry of Communication. Let us draft a bill and Parliament to solidify the rules and put penal charges to people who just enter to show movies. If the offense happens once, twice, your license will be revoked. If no one is used as an exemplary tool, Obiara also I your pen or just should be. So we look out for every producer. As I say, almost means that I think okay, they try to matter, they try lights, and creative jobs, and that is what we want. The present industry and come back to the way our places here. It is a year every year I never come. I am myself with you. Yeah.
Question is better. Question is here. This is the way Papa. Mami, you were just a year I learned industry. How can we protect our intellectual property? How can we protect it?
And so far, the fee creative arts, thing, but of the questions, I'm going to try to do. And I'm going to use a career to in Kumawood the door and say, maybe I can say, Dr. Takamaku, and I in Sakaya, and I Sakaya, and the DI and I have been. Or more what we can now, and I'm on tour, and I said, she said, part was of the and the one industry of mine. Maybe seven cat, Kyekyeku is not allowed. I am a teacher, a man is the great way. We get a political area. I'm a teacher for my joint plan. Where parents see here, I'm a teacher for my routine. And it's maker. Every other is the great maker. Joint plan, I have so. Routine the other can't appear here, but the better one man is Emma. But then now, they premier or TV3 will be a complaint for the phone is so working. The enemy are for YouTube, never. You need the inside the camera. After your report, you by the camera, or best right now, people will download it. How we need to for 2, 7, and communicate the company. That's something you 2 million show things I say. Get ready away in life. That's all be mine. People that yet are buying. If you say the pay, I say, oh, yeah, she say, yeah, this is not action. I'm not for you about singing action. And I'm for the was for you. Action. The only way, they say, what pro, yeah, what beauty copyright. Then the only thing that can when it's near and running near policy property. If there is policy, there is no enforcement of the policy. That is the little problem. So it can't be the filmmakers before the camera film for my piracy video attached to don't do piracy. If you do piracy, we arrest you because the police was there to accompany them to arrest the pirates. And who is that? It is a need I want a better speak up also a protecting yellow in the money now. A couple. And what a man and enforce is there. Police with us. Many times I report with the dead. And another thing is that I talk about the weapon that one way I say people of the country, I say the man can put a baby. Or say, or more. Anyway, I'm a bit Nigerian movies or we companies, Nigerian companies in channel name, and that TV stations, like the movie is you are enforcing when you do TV stations in TV stations or which back at or TV stations in locations. We are enforcing, we are waiting to call a meeting. We react to this or that. What is one family meeting? So enforcement is not a negotiation. It is arresting, prosecuting, and sending other people. It's not for discussion. Obi a wɔkwan sɛ ɔkyerɛ na bebe a ɔmo firi ba no bi wɔn na ɔmo James lamisi kasa na ɔmo sa kasa fo yɛ hɛsɛ sɛ ɛti ni na how are you combating pirates in the movie industry? Mo sɛ nhyehyɛeɛ wɔ hɔ deɛ wɔde ɛwɔ kama a yɛ ti na ne kasa akɔ how are you combating it?
Mata bi da se yɛ nyinaa esua adeɛ.
Ɔsɛ ɛdɛ wɔ sɛ yɛ wɔ kɔkɔɔ ne yɛ wɔ kɔkɔɔ.
Ɛmra ɛwɔ Ghana ɛfa sini adwuma yɛn ɛna ɛwɔ si ekusua mìíràn Yedi kan 1964 ɛna Dr. Kwame Nkrumah di kan yɛ yedi kan.
Ìbá tó o máa ṣe ó sì ẹ̀rọ ẹwọ bá àwọn pẹ̀sì. Nàìjíríà yóò wọ́n wọ́n fi owó tó náà mọ̀ náà ní ìta ọ̀sẹ̀. Sẹ́ni bí mo bọ̀rọ̀ náà ní ẹgbẹ́ mẹ́sìn náà mọ̀ ní. Ẹ̀ka náà tó máa ń tún ẹ̀ náà wọ́n yẹ kí bẹ̀rẹ̀. Ètò ìpàdé yìí kò kó fún kúrò ẹwà kò tó yá yà.
Bẹ́ẹ̀ni, Ghana constitution kẹsẹ̀. Yẹ̀hyẹ́ mìíràn ẹ̀yẹ tìmọ̀mí ẹ̀yẹ wọ́n sẹ́yẹ tẹ́ ọmọ ẹ̀mìíràn ọmọ ẹ̀wọ́ wọ́n sẹ́yẹ. Tẹ̀sí àmì ní ìtòyè. Obiara ɛna kyerɛ wo sɛ wokɔfa obiara a ɛyɛ bɔne wona wo sɛ wohu sɛ yɛ mmerɛ no deɛ ɛsi akafo sɛ wohu a wa ɛbɛba wo abɔho kwan a wonyɛ bi obi ɛne di wa wobɛhu mmara na woyɛ de fɛ bɛ wo anaasɛ woyɛ bɔ ho kwan 64 ɛna Dr. Kwame Nkrumah ɛyɛ first law ɛwɔ sini mu GIFC ɛno na ɛnyɛ abɛdane titiri no sɛ kɔmpini patna Kwame Nkrumah ɛni sɔ ihu ne nsɛ yɛnyɛ sini a ɛbɛpɔtire national patriotism eti saa mmara no anhyɛ da ambaite because it was purposes of a company 1985 ɛna J.J. Lawrence ɛpaase PNC law 110 ɛno no ɛtɔkɔ about copyright. Sɛ ɔntumi nfa obi adwuma ɛdidi ho ɛbɛbɛ nipa no ɛni mu ɔwɛ ɛna ɛdidi mu about 2005 president before time ɛna ɔpaase current copyright law ɛyɛ yi si na ne ɛna ɛno ɔmo yɛ wɔ 2010 ɛna 2023 yɛ ɔmo ɛsɛ revising 2023 yɛ na ɛmira ne kyerɛ sɛ obiara a ɔwɔ intellectual property yɛwɔ 2 rights a awɔsɛ mu bu baako ɛyɛ economic right ɛna baako yɛ moral right ne ɛde sɛ mefa ɔyɔsi ɛdwitwa sini ɛnɛ na sɛ ɔkyerɛ bi ìbẹ̀yìká mi sini no ɛyɛ adɛ anaa mi sini no ɛyɛ biribi foforɔ a ɛnam sɛ ɔyɔsi ɛni ɛwɔ mu ɔwɔ moral right sɛ mankɔ ne ahoyɛ na mi kò yusu sini no ɛdi anaa mi kò twa part of sini no yà wɔ yusu mfoni wɔ na mi kò yà ɛdi yà wɔ yusu yɛ wɔ sɛ ɛdi yɛ sini ɔkyia mi kɛmi wɔ yusu yɛ kyerɛ siw mi sɛ the moral right ma nfiri ɔkɔmɛ ɛwɔ sɛ mi wɔ na ma yɛ sɛ mi mi nim akɔ yɛ bibi fofo ɛna deɛ ɔde sika ne hyɛ sini no producer ɔno ɛna wɔ economic right ɛkyɛ sɛ sika bi yɛ ɛfiri saa product no ɛwɔ sɛ mi a mi sika hyɛ mi sɛ ɛnyɛ mi na mi tu sika ɛyɛ obi foforɔ bi a bɛtɛ bi na kɔkɔ na ma kɔ gye compensation na tumi no ɔde ahyɛ copyright office sa ɛmira no se sɛ obi ɛyi so wɔ bi ma first wodi report na ka kɔma copyright office. Na copyright office a activated a committee or no one activated committee then it's no from
na Ghana no ye mututu na sidi adwuma ye mfa ye nimu mra na Ghana kwese se asem emma ya obi ankoto mra se 2016 emra film law se ye yusu no u betwa sini a also we permits at 935 2016 amra no be twesi ni a also we permit wo nipa na wo ye sini adwuma no sa wo ye producer sa wo ye exhibitor me fa ne say wo run cinema house sa wo ye director ni nyina na also ko gye license ansa na wo dia ko diduma eti ni nyina mo no say me kuta license na me twesi ni e wo adwuma police for entimi e me harass me Bikuta permit, let me just say even RC's minister entering harassing me because Bikuta permit are binding their money. Now, and I'm saying, you put to one Timbranachi, young watching Yama and a boy of home. Obi so fire Juma, Eti Husika, young Pepper, Mr. Say, what is that? Aso, Copy Ghana, any Gamru. ɛna mbra Ghana mbra ɛde tumi ahyɛ
ɔmo nkyekye yɛ to different royalties and levies na ɔmo kyekye ɛnayɛ and lot of people ɛwɔ hɔ a ɔmo siri ɔmfa na adwuma ɛntɔma asɔ obi a musician wayɛ ne ɔmfa adwuma ɛntɔma yɛfɛ ne sɛ gamu obi a twene bu ɔmfa nkɔma akɔpe Ghana ɛna afɛn so na ɔmo kyerɛ sɛ wokireti ɛnyɛm anaa siri ɛwɔ sɛ wo register under copyright law ɔsɛ sɛ register under copyright now from the law says you can register tangibles there is original right for
Zach na wo lande amane o na wo lande ha ti lande
the American say if you Dr. Kwame Nkrumah to JJ Lawrence to President Kufuor to John Dramani Mahama sini laws emra e Ghana emra ne bi ema ye sini for advantage emra ne bi ebo ye homa emra ne bi esre ye say ye was studio responsibility that was a shoulder na ne bi na emu ye ni mu ntinu obo de emra ne bi edi ye ema ye sikasam ye moral right and ye economic right ye hwiri ko ye ni mura ena afa so ɛnam si yɛ nimra no yɛ busu ɛno na ama Ghana industry na de bisa be yɛ busu bebree because sɛ yɛwɔ accredited directors accredited writers accredited marketers accredited film producers accredited actors even actors no koraa yɛwɔ classes yɛwɔ categories sɛ ne nyinaa yɛayɛ na saa structure no ɛwɔ hɔ a ɛbɛma industry no agyina na ɛnam sɛ bi o ɛmfa yɛ ho wɔsiritwafo akyi dɛ ma obi tam phone no just siri no dey out there even on internet there are logs
let us see out here
Zach any member James I think I'm commander here no e pa e bela Dr. Frank Amapo is organizing e follow this e kasa ye dikai se Filmmakers are doing them SCM our people. Yeah, next crop of stars, the next crop of SCSC, the next crop of Martha Joyce, Wayosi, Frank Sorry, what's here? And the NFE, catcher, you say, and man, the one I need, man, then it means the NFE has failed. Why I wasn't watching? That's the first question. Yes, you have copyright rules. You have Zach started from the year Zach started now over the year 1964. Dr. Kwame Nkrumah any film or film online or so in the year 2026, your filmmakers have put them on Ashanti and the Kumawood. You must have said, including Zach, copyright office or Ashanti region. Is it even how active is it? We reach out to copyright, and then we don't even have a rep of copyright on this panel. It tells you that their structures are unique. Why not enforce the structures? And looking at chairman liking the NFA to a GFA because the GFA is a regulatory body, and an NFA is a regulatory body for film. I'm just citing an example. You work around and the comes of board and the other a lifestyle. And maybe a Kenyan is a master Ashanti football, and the Accra has a good level of match. As at 9 a.m., 10 a.m., because that time, the other about who set up who make number Steve who make number a weapon, who make number Mbapo, who make number an idea, and next second of all, who do you mention that is there? Accra has a good same thing. Things of quality has reduced, and that is why Chairman spoke about the quality of our productions we do in Ghana. I mean, just opposing with anything. A brand recently, Kotokone has available. Then there is a bring back the lab. Obia is a lot of people do not go there. But the last super clash which was played in the Ashanti region, through Dr. Frank through Zuba, through the Agya Regional Minister, the park was full to capacity. Because of the law of promoting they made sure they took promotion to the doorstep of people. They made sure people heard about the match that was going to be played. So if we are in an auditorium speaking about the NFL copyright issues, and the NFL tells us, but the filmmakers need to move around. Why accept here and say, my papa why you film for so many years? But better than that, say, there were a if we are in 2026 and we want to use modern rights to solve issues of copyright, then we are lagging here behind. Because there have been countless occasions somebody like a local cancer papa out. If we are using moral rights, how many times have we heard a local cancer come out to cry about his movies like a Agya? How many times recently Tyler Perry movie about the right? But Tyler Perry movie are already here. Now in 2 days, we have a Ghanaian TV station. So are you telling us that NFL does not see that? Don't we have a copyright to take up? So this is the gap. So if that back in the years, Zach, I'm taking you to sanitation. Back in the years when sanitation was highly enforced in Ghana, now it was wrongly pronounced tankers. Because when we say we hear tankers when we are about the survival. To say here, so because tankers in more patriotism, recently, Ghana independence ceasefire. How many people did we see by the churches of Ghana? Back in the days, to this, and I said Black Stars Air. I just said Black Stars Air. But it tells you that people have been shot. And that Ghanaians came together, irrespective of their diverse political opinions. We saw the NPP, we saw the NDC unite as a united front, as Ghanaians to fight the Zambians. And now, and then, they are part of this one. It tells you about the influence we have. So if we are filmmakers, if we want our filmmaking industry to thrive, one, this is the first of its kind. If it hadn't been the ingenuity of Dr. Frank Apakwini, we would not be having this forum or this like the Ashanti. Everyone is done like that. How do we expect our filmmakers in Ashanti to know these laws? How do we expect them to move moral rights, to get issues of copyright? We need more of this law. And that's how we solve the problem.
Matter, yes, no. Matter, yes, no.
So Zach, discussion may facilitate. Why we are Obakasa is a musical. We'll be a local mistake. No, now take it easy.
Just 1 second. So come and be about anything.
So allow me.
If I want to say what they could all the
oh, one of your make us know, I shall say, I'm a sick and no correct candy. But waka. And the pana will come a fraction, the point of that was swap, or that kind of current why you want to man, and here. James, Uber office and chain. Exactly a witness, me, and then you make the way I need. I found the one rough, Zach and I are away. May moderate. And we turn up the questions, the major man. I'm almost shy, no one is all questions. Wadaroma, who said the Auchi can who be Kakra Pasauka? And in less than 2 minutes, Monsieur Pasa, Nameko, the Rosemeko.
Okay, a panel discussion here. To make a change, I said, into what's here. What? Into what's here. Yeah, who open? And also, I don't say you know that. I want you to understand that no matter how frustrated you are, if you are frustrated, I'm frustrated. It means that my work is not going well for me. You get what I mean? Okay. And the best thing I can say, there are simple things that you will just know it, right? A problem. That's the one you say, kitchen here, who raised the kitchen? Good. There's no agency under the government that doesn't operate on a mandate. Every agency affiliated to the government has the law. Okay,
you may say, the general knowledge of every agency that has the mandate or an act or the laws to operate on. Who names say agencies operate on laws? We operate on Act 935. The internet is free to everybody. Until you can't come blaming me. Ignorance is not an excuse. So who can tell me say Ghana police? I'm about catcher will say, who you say, and I will say, and I want you say, and I will say, that's a wood true court. I beg I say, well, Ghana police are about the country. There's no agency in Ghana, chief, that does not operate under laws. And you know that. If you go on the internet and you mention what laws does the NFA operate on, they will be said. All are there. So for the sake of Kumawood, our laws that we operate on is Act 935. So it's there for everybody. We're not depriving anyone.
Act say it again.
Act 935. 935. That is the act that we operate on. If you take your time to read it, you will definitely understand the laws. Now, in breaking down the law is us manifesting our mandate. It's so who reading now who they are saying, you understand where I'm coming from. In terms of the copyright, I want to address what you were saying. We don't just get up and solve an issue. This is an issue that we came to meet. It's our second year. Very understandable. I can understand. The person in my English for the tears here say, Munyan to here. Good things take time to mature. It's in my move said just because they get 1 year copyright boom has to be solved. This has to be solved. The issues we have goes beyond copyright. Even storytelling. When it comes to storytelling, our script is a big problem. If we go all the way down to the roots, we have so many problems. Funding is a big problem too. Copyright is an American. When anybody uses someone's content without approval, we know very well that yes, you are going against the law. But for me to defend you as a lawyer, you need to be registered with me, or you have to come and then activate my services before I can now come and fight for you and fight your rights. I can ask you here that not everybody after filming their movies go and register their movie even at the copyright office. I'm saying this because, of course, we know the law is broken. Say obi o bonena say who went to an among our police station and obi who say we are getting right or wrong. Okay, let's just say in copyright. I don't like the way you're laughing. It's Mami explaining me.
You wasn't coming.
No, not at all. When you were talking, I didn't come in. I gave you the new way. Every movie that is produced in Ghana here has to come for a permit. Listen, once you get the permit, there's something that goes into our IGF. Whether or not we are getting funding from the government directly or from outside institutions, the best main is and hold workshops, do capacity building by ourselves. Imagine how much we'll be able to generate if everybody who is producing a movie is able to come to NFA for a permit, right? Let's put aside the troubles that you go through if you don't get it. But with that being said, we are complaining about the fact that you also don't do your rights about coming for your permits. You don't do your rights about coming to NFA to classify. That's all the people willing to alter. That's what we are. Then you come back to also cry for us. It's a shared blame. I'm not saying NFA is doing the most and absolute favor. There are things that we have also left for long that we would have addressed. This copyright issue was just ignited just at the ending of last year again, right? And it is being worked on. But you don't come and just come and blame only NFA and forget about doing your part about not classifying your folks or getting the permit. You have to do your due diligence. Let me also rightfully do mine. That is all.
Okay, thank you.
Mata, Mr.
I guess
Miracle Films.
And somebody to be candid in and me. And you will be brave, but you didn't actually see the slow. Louis, if I said, heat now, I sorry, the person about from Kakra. The person you did come off from National Film Commissions and name more incentives. National Film Commissions and name incentives are a woman. The person you did some Monica Craig and some of James Hall. Now, maybe segment we up when we have the questions on the Okay, James, can you talk about the National Film Commissions and the incentives?
The tax incentive.
Yeah.
So last year, we lost a big movie like Girls Trip. It was a Hollywood production. We heard about them wanting to come to Ghana. Talk about the just as it. But almost taxes are paid to what? It's ridiculous. Because they assume that every equipment that's coming into the country could potentially be coming into the country as business. Maybe money and all of that. Those things might not be taxed out. There's someone making sure say as long as we remove the obey to you. Now we have an airline. In the airline, there's a tax incentive, which we've been fighting for many years. And several people are here by office. I am 70 for airport. I am a young soul. We are continuing to airline parliament. On my discussing a passing the Ghana. Yes, you share the show. And they will be a people bra. Yes, I said, it will take a little time. These things now maybe a stage level. It is not in our hands. We've submitted every legal document that is going to back whatever thing that has to do with tax incentive. So that they will waving off. We are not even fighting for 20%. South Africa on tax incentive at 20%. We were even fighting for 0. Yeah, Likee and Ashanti in that 10. But that is even better because it says here we will send the word out to the world that we are ready to do business. The president has promised us an international film studio. The moment that happens, there's no other means but to let the tax incentive be passed. Other than that, it's like when we have padlock, one locking padlock, one sound two key not happening. Then you can't even solve the issue. You get what I mean?
Thank you. May say this another question. Is there a regulatory framework for streaming platforms?
Yeah, 100%.
You sure? And do they follow it? Is it being enforced?
I mean, the streaming platforms are not directly under our regulation. That's more like a private regulation. So until we come out with our very own, but yeah, there are regulations. First of all, you can't take intellectual property and submit it for, but they are Asana, all these notable platforms will even accept your content. Say, you get what I mean? Netflix is not operated by NFA. YouTube is not. The most we can do is have dialogues and partnerships as to how producers can make the most out of the platforms. But they have their own rules. And so far as it stands, nothing goes against our mandates and their rules. You just follow the rules. You patent or you copyright your content. You submit. If it meets their criteria, you do the numbers, the rest you check out. But we don't have. It's something that we are working on. There's something we're working on called the archival platform, where we have old movies. They say, "I told you so." Go to Grand Tumi. All these legendary films, you don't get them anywhere. So when we get our very own, we will now find a way to negotiate with our producers and make sure they get the best out of their content. But as it stands now, the streaming platforms, we are not the direct regulators.
Thank you. Reverend Pachana Pessoa Kabibi.
To say an essence than by 5 years, 6 years. National Film Authority, I would say, I say, now understand, put our voice down. Because when you're just 5, 6, and scratches, people are. And this is actually, and let's be fair to cancer. And who are when you say, expect this 6 years, 6 years, and they can make it. Don't be a man and say, or someone take a cat box and orange. Because I said, NF brand office, no, I can't break it. I'm told them to be this happening. One minute office now, I can't read. NF brand office, no, Masia. I can't open you all. The way I renew. And National Film Authority brand. In the office, no, I grab. In the office in Kumasia. Now, Ghana, they do all they mean in Kumasia. Now, the Bronya, they all ye. Will be Russia, I say, in the future, the man will say, Pacho, I wish you. Hello.
Regional Minister, I was here. 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 I was here.
I am one when you say you're in your own. The future, the man will say, more confident, but a gardener. The future is a more confident. I think I was here. Don't you understand him? I was Ashanti, the best source in Ghana. Take that from me. I did be around Ghana. When you fabric, I was Ashanti, a bit amount. The future is when you see Kumawood as a platform, number from building the structures of the domain gallery, history and as case study. They are found building a platform of the NF as a pyramid to the top. So I'm going to say, now baby say, a power of crime. There's winning a fear crime into one winning baby. For instance, how can you talk even about Kumawood, the whole almighty Kumawood, with all respect to my minister? And yet the poor and another, and you have been white yard in the poor. Even a great Kumawood don't have an office. Kumawood, I give you now, it hasn't got an office. Oh, Masia. The investor will grab myself. Of a 17 Kumawood, of a work for granted. If you there, when a Kumawood, for any what I'm ready. If you were in one country, one for 200 minister, no more yet, no come out in your office. Huh? What is covered by? I had the office of Kumawood. What is covered by? When you are much low, what she was saying, or would you cry? Minister, no. 20 million better on can walk no office come sama what one day and taking time the real master over office area the baby be trapped that's we are my thing yet you are pana boy ya support na NSC
Reverend Medasi Mother Roma they wrapping up it's never will be less than 1 minute now we'll closing remarks now for your questions. It is less than 1 minute.
Matter. The person who are more share with him in our tears, say, Emra, ye can was seven, and yet a pine and a good thing to brand the prayer, and yet a who will be and a question share. The 2016 Film Act and I can was seven. And yes, silly for filmmakers and a question share brand. Maybe a penny, someone I mentioned the kind those times, who must see how one will be up. Now we're involved in the early 2000s, small in late 2000, or can and a branded vision, and crack a can later, and a year moving so for Kano, or more formal ready in your filmmakers. A bill, National Film Authority, board, and no one board and what a man, and yet a buying for the sword. We your friend is a secretary and the board chairman. Or more marketing now, more board to sit down. And your filmmakers now, actors guild, actors, any power, producers, any power.
from the crew, any power, enti and you make it run, and a young and you form a board, and then you out from here. It is a brand new and you matter, and young filmmakers, and they make it a brand. Now, send your software, anything, you're for more November 2019, and Operation 2020. Somebody I mean, I say, Governor of Ferris. Obeka chere amount for say even national office and this say our next this say our computers in national office in problem setting way
but 1 minute and ask
thank you
Ghana, your closing remarks.
I can understand the frustration of the stakeholders. Kumawood, what shall I say? I mean, but they're comfortable. Okay. Whatever the complaints are, we acknowledge them and make us any. Whatever we are doing to make sure, say, in Yamana or the film industry, with regards to copyrights, with regards to laws and implementation. And making sure the welfare of the producers and all the filmmakers is key and paramount because that is essentially what we are there to do. To make sure there's a thriving business and ecosystem in the industry. We are doing that. If you are who say ABC officer or PK was sent to see there's no way that we can have the Kumawood any an NFA branch here because it's a call for in answering say me who are ya bodeda tino bibia ye pre eso mesre mo say when ya abotre bebre ama oso aba befra ya start ye juma ye nche ya hyehyɛ ye ma e komo ti me pamocho e besre mo atomo and ye mo hyehyɛ no e beye to say kaka ye bego yesu any bibi aye company fa wo bia president ote no every man wa ma ye film development fund and ye mo dia it no say ye besu ye be use the year no so no and ye NF kwa keke there's a whole committee it's not Sasika no so Sasika no obi atimi fa nsanka keke there's a whole committee that goes to a vetting stage, it goes to the minister. There's so many from Kumawood, definitely part. It goes to the minister for approval and sana. There's still the board decision to also to be taken. And second, they are implementing. Intino, in your mind, yes, you know, yeah, and to pass here, I would say, yeah, you
I'm sure.
All right, that's about. If the person catch me at James and they say, the woman said, the Kasana, and not share how passionate we are about the subject we are talking about. Again, I'll come on this one. Zach, you may be police. The woman said, what I am saying, it makes enough. Police, and then it and the supportable police work are craving. So, don't know, and yet it's not quite sharp by us. The better say, I find that a bear share part, a better step obey what you made. That doctor phone no what you may stop buying the stress. Say, I can't hear any shape ever form. Say, I buy who say it, but yeah, deep work and some war. And then the Bama find and we are quite home. Now why is she ever white? He said, "Ye exonerating are buying if you come man. We are shooting ourselves in the foot. No more kind yet. TV, so radio, so Bayabwa, see the traffic. Omoba, ye will say, why are we pass to and more other industries? No, are they paying equal attention to us? And no, say, yeah, Kasa and neck. Where you money now, put on the ɛbɛtɔ akɔ so baako bɛba bɛtɔ so firi mmienu mu mmiɛnsa akɔyɛ deka yɛ kana eti ɛnɛ ɛna ɛwɔ sɛ yɛsi kyerɛ yɛsi ne yɛka ne yie ma yɛ ayɛlɛ nyinaa tɛnyɛ pɔne ɛyɛ ɔdɔ koraa so sɛ ɛbɛyɛ ne yie obi ɔte ha bia nkwalaa yi a ɔbɛdi edwuma fɛfɛ after second ne maame bɛteatea no ɛmbɛn ho yɛmpɛ sɛ saa bɛto ɔmo deɛ ɔsɛ yɛhwɛ na mpanyinfoɔ de twa sapa.
That's Louis. Okay.
We can start with the Brahman teams. It said Judge Khan. We are not here to attack anyone. That is not the purpose of this attack. However, in governance and leadership, you will inherit assets and liabilities. In as much as problems and asset structures and you this is what you have come to meet. This is what Kumawood, these are the structures and the best to work. And also again, most of the police officers they need to work. They are police officers they need to work. They inmates of Kumawood Central Prison. A new commander and a regional minister this one in the after sending Panasani to jail them or back out and jail and obey. That is the reason why we said the fashion show of the prison inmates. They are here to learn so that Omuko Baka inmates no Omo person Omo ever. So we as a panel, we as panels, the person Omo future our the same structures now Omo coming not a war. And looking at the airport, the airport, and I'm paying forces to the airport to war. Next, a book, it's a wisher, and the city for Zach, our one year, Zach Ebekasa, almost Zach in now because Omukasa one in the Ashanti, they can't ask for your action. Omu will say that it's an end, the Yellow PA, upon yourself of books and questions. 7, will become in Nigeria. Don't take it as they are attacking Kafu, they are attacking James Gardner. No, they are attacking the structures in the Ghana film industry because they want to see a thriving Ghana industry so that we can have a research Kumawood and the Ghana industry.
Thank you. I'm ready to questions. I have them na hanso amaye biensa timwadaro ma betremo any dey kwan so questions na ye be bisa no besrawo woni tsawo question na wo bisa no emwa besrawo be bisa ye wo bi wo ha wo ba je microphone then so question no and then I'm South Africa timesrawo I have a my biensa but I prison officer na ma me omo na ya ho ti ya ma ne kwan.
Good morning, sir. Thank you for the opportunity. My name is ESP, Kumasi Central Police. I'm a deputy superintendent of prison. We thank the regional minister, the panelists for this educative and interactive session. I shall get some by this level. So we thank you for this interactive session and for including us in today's program. First of all, I will change talk about why we are here. But then I also want to ask a question. Right now, the prison service is moving from 8 punitive states to a correction state now.
Sweetheart, can you tell so that you put the question to us?
Okay, so we are moving from the punitive stage to the corrective stage. The fashion show was initiated by us, and then we saw how it's trended. And we are saying that now we have a creative arts unit where inmates act, we have people who sing and all that. And I would like to say thank you to Madam Mercy. She has been at our end, and I know she has even taken one inmate who is repaired and she's grooming the person. She met the person at our meeting, and I know she's grooming the person. My question is, how accessible is the movie that you're, how accessible, how open are your doors? But sometimes when we are pushing them, people are shining away from us because of past things from the inmates. And we realize that through creativity, information can be achieved. Through creativity, when they come outside and they won't come back, you won't get recidivists in the society because if you don't embrace them, they come back to hurt us. So please, how accessible are you? And how open are your doors to support us so that even this Christmas, if we don't want to focus on fashion and we want to focus on the inmates who act, how accessible are you? Thank you.
Thank you. But any questions? No, I have answered about the middle.
Honorable, this is already the Akasa. You know, I'm machine. It's really the Akasa. And Hannah is from Mother Woman. One of my function. That's son of Akasa now. I'm going to be American. China, maybe I am in Agya. Honorable ministers.
And somebody will form Mother Woman.
We rest in it. Sadia way, we will be that. I watch that. Maybe I make a feast of the we will be that. 18 or honorable, Yame Osha, Young Kisket, Emma Kumawood, then we are on the air. Na yɛrɛ pɛsɛ nika ɛtɛ mo asa bebree na asɛm bi a yɛreka no yɛmmemu mo a NSF a aba ne ɛnyɛ mo na yɛne mo yɛreka ɛnyɛ tɛmɛfa sɛ ɛnyɛ Ghana na yɛne mo NSF asɛm ɛna yɛreka because for so many years yɛne ne yɛkɔ yɛnte ne yɛkɔ even yɛne Ashanti region ase sɛ yɛwɔ hɔ a nipa no bebree si twɛfo bebree wɔ Ashanti region a obi anim sɛ ɔkɔ akrakra so ɔbɛ n'efi a beebi a ɔkɔ obi anim nipa a yɛka sɛ n'efi a ɔbɛkɔ ne hɔ ɛno ana ama ne nyinaa yɛn abira yɛn kasa ɛna adum na adum yɛ so ɛna minista Dawoma wɔte nyamba a mo ne yɛn edi nsawofo yi. Na say, ever say, if you find a boss, and cry, over here, not I said that one. Over Mana, Bilasamania, Mamma, was simple. I don't have 3 days' time. That's a open, but say, open in Lampa, over your name. I said, your machine. Yes, Ashanti region, why you be anywhere possible? Our film industry, what do you come? Just I didn't even say, I didn't even 10 times. Yeah, I hear you. You can't actors and actresses in Swat, a big book, a big book, and to say, this I that's a yeah, watch Ashanti region. Ye na ye ya bi charge ya no de ya ka concern ti normally ya ba invitations be wa omo ti mi online ye ya no actors bi wo wa change me ya obi wo ho ma oye actor oye actress but only nothing e wo movie industry ye ya penisa o kasa so that go to for me na ye get my me na ye suru bujari e che say afọ na obeye alphabet de carefully so na ya ba for it is a most what you might be a kemu a ye ni ade no more can be as asset. Now you're moving ground and from the top, you're from the register. I am being the person who is or buy ye. What beer when you be to farm yourself? We are moving here. The beer say, and that way to that way, and register. Actually, obey you one. I issue yes, and no one I yet taken. Never the prime minister of my year. Yes, sir. Say, be here. Ashanti radio, yes, a movie industry. Last question. If it's outside the hall. Last question. Not a penny for answer.
I need to move rest there now. But sir, before I function, there they are the phone. I don't have time. The entire said, entire life in my interest was simple. I was in a entire life in my interest was. It's a bus, yes, someone. I got the coming into your mouth. And I'm saying, my interest in the lifetime, I was in the Regional Minister of the Nation. They know Regional Minister sees of the best very to type. I'm going to first a free tap by the bell of my I'll go on the damage. You will be done. Let me shout. Regional Ministers are not by now, Papa here. I'm a serious Saturday alcohol. I'm a Kumawood, what better than I Sasa, I'm going to tell you. I love you, there was some, but no credit coming. Anything. In the last 4 years, no. I was saying at all. Thank God, what's up coming? Actually, I respect and say, I got something but on your way, and some more change here. I'm saying, I let you one. What was here like 4 years? The new office for her. Now, more another mandate, the new office. Something of the Ashanti. Then you go call him. And then you put your money. Oh, my. Sir, what do you say? Me, I'm saying I'm a champion. They are political movie. Make the letter about us, be a board member. Who said
Zach, but you're one game for her questions there, but also.
Somebody will play, don't worry. I said, I'm saying, maybe a board member, your parent will meet when I told. I'm going to let our brain as a child. TV stations, we are parenting, again, my book of all platforms from the time because I feel 17. Now, when you need that, when I'm really near you, as a little bit like the parent, you know, I get there. Oh, my God, there. I need to know, Mr. Zah, see, I said, only here, also, you know. When you serve also here as a leader, and you also here, I can't say, no, I don't be here, my area. And then I get to be up way, and 2 minutes to come. And then, 7 years in the parity, and we just see the father part, and for so many. And then, your parity in India, officials as on the team of 1 2 days, and then end for officials. Mr. Sam, you are really going to go by it. We are here to make us a one night one. But you know, anything to know,
any leadership here that we have. People will get their way. So, nobody way. And then simple. Let's say, to make a idea, you don't second way. There's a couple of ways. It's in my mind, not saying that. It's not by because minister, I was so great. Now, why are you not in fire woman? Something who say it. If that, I get to buy that university China. It's up that. I can tell you 4 years now. I'm to be quiet. What's up? Call 2 years ago. Sir, a day of one that way. As a moment to be a young who said, I away from. Sir, you ready to make the town of the Messiah. Who must have swearing you? Kumawood,
The Kumawood forward there.
Kumawood, a parent. The Kumawood, so can edit a floor. I saw you from America sometime. I get president and mentioned Kumawood. So many questions Kumawood never to the boss, Kumawood, they go with the first one of the Bible. And when you meet a drop of that name, and then you are trending the elevator. And then the offer. And then the offer. Maybe then what the Bible. I'm more than the Bible way. And yet, Agya, never be a head of our something or something from afar. It is a volume. And they don't know the head of our. They were Bollywood and they were India. But Bollywood didn't trend over afar. Bollywood don't be fire. Bollywood neither actually afar. Get away afar.
Yeah, that's it. And some more Emma questions. That's a microphone in brass for mommy. Okay. Whether Roma will be kind answer prisons for question no and their money. Or say, I when you're paying the war and my inmates, so better be access to the film industry because they thought they are the woman in the show because of some free prisons in Ebent. Now say, you're taking woman here, almost all condo. Say to make you look betting, Tiapana pay. And the war was a very one penny for the searching young man who can hear support.
I had Dr. Frank Kumawood, that's what it's a friend, my papa, Bishop of the only young tears in need to my work. One of the key things that Dr. Frank Kumawood said, the next crop of stars in community. The next crop of stars, the good number says, you don't have to create a we went to a secondary school here and Omaba. 18 minister integrity and 18 member committee. I will give you finding the challenges affecting the movie industry. One of the key challenges to notice, I say, Semima members who are why never be seen. Say, Martha, who are why never be seen. It is the action plan for the year 2026. As Kumawood Ashanti Film Association, yet the Assembly said, secondary schools, any prisons, any other areas, the mayor outreach services are the next track of more per day. The way or more, it is a local secondary schools are in teachers. They are sure said the mayor of managing, said or more take them on. Now you hear Ashanti Festival, now you share GS, now you need GS, and it's also active. The choir secondary schools, a year of LGBT, you bet me as a board, and it starts at the I won't know. You bet you have those schools, you bet you have computing service, education service. Say a baby are moving young. Your best friend say yes, just reach out to us. I need your chairman, reach out to us to make your business a person or community. To say the okay, when my name is when you can order that. On our can now will open any door. So on that one, you are forming a business service now. Every hour questions now, Papa charge me a business or say I will be ready to offer my services for free for this course. It is also possible. And all you need to do is give us the notice on time. Now, as Kumawood Ashanti Film Association, it's just give us the notice. And this goes out to the secondary schools, teachers who are and schools are very soon. You are going to see the stars. And then people that are going very soon. We need this year. We will say they're back on campuses to help do the next group of stars.
Yeah, that's it. Papa Chomo my boy and some my Brian. Madaroma, James. Yemia or Henry SSC to be question. Into Wadaroma, who be young woman.
First of all,
we're ready to okay,
person me born abaso ewo intuma oye inmates it takes someone who has passion or wants him and now to go out of a way to sacrifice and make time to teach others. Let's all appreciate it.
Yeah, my production. I work in Ghana prisons, especially Ashanti region.
Now to answer the question, so we are here for a reason. Young Market say say honorable minister and our deacon here, and I say yeah, and I have a second and not there. Yabanu Beliaba. It's a foul say. Obiasha say National Film Dialogue in Accra. Again, Honorable Minister made here. We had this conversation that we're going to bring National Film Dialogue here. If God is being good, as an Honorable Minister has taken the initiative to put all of us together, it doesn't matter whether they did it first or we did it second. Baba, we didn't even get a flight. Then we here 4 a.m. the driver was on. We hit the road, I think 4:30 or so. Because there was no way I was going to miss it. I want to put it out there and I stand on authority NFA that Kumawood counts. If they don't count, we won't be here. Everything that we do and that we have come in office so far, we have involved Kumawood in everything that we do. From our board representation to our film development fund representation to opening an office here. That discussions are never one complaining now. Again, there were lots of mistakes. The predecessors, nobody is perfect. Yes, we made never mistakes, but to do the same mistakes that the previous authority was doing would be a malice, to all of us. So we are trying to right the wrongs that were being done to make sure it is an all-inclusive film industry and not segregate anybody. Everyone matters. Kumawood, if not for anything at all, has been a long-standing force in the Ghana film industry, even stronger than other movie industries or sectors that I'm not comparing, but when we are selling movies, Kumawood comes with a big force that nobody can deny. So, from opening an office to make sure that you get your due in our cake that the government is giving us, and to make sure, say, the member in Yama, their office asema of you don't have to travel all the way to Accra. You are dreaming now. Say the payer will not send Ben Tietia, will be fishing Ghana, and that's all about Accra, whatever. It's your plans. And I feel the Ababa dream, Genya, but Yabano, the Bayer.
Yes.
Yes, I'm sure. Zach. Yeah, Papa Miracle, maybe our questions into what I remember here and my mind.
Thank you. The guy, ASO, you registration. The jury said, the name Miracle Folks in Milano, the Betty ASO, now a body, Tabono, up to registration. So, the name Miracle Films, and your call ASO board, so they say, you drew on now over the Tabono to so. Now auditing minimum PO also away. I mean, Charlie, we are almost through. Until by next year, ASOP will open for new registration. Number 2, Nehemiah NFA Agya. Abusafo, Sadia Sofokan, NFA be 5 to 6 years. NFA buyer. And Brano, I train structures are who regions, and it also opposition. Now, I'm saying anything, a buying and a funding anything, and a buying agency. It's anything, any or one own source, we are already really demand. For people say, a buying and a more resources. First, anything are about 2020. Gardner, I'm about to say. The entire office, vehicle, 1 gram only. Budgetary allocation, you are allocating every man anything, secretariat. We now go board, we can secretariat. Sika, I was a bank any man secretariat, that may be for 4 good years. I may just come home, no budgetary allocation. Now, so, they simplify. They simplify achievements so far. Number 1, NFA Africa Summit Ashanti. The whole Africa, even see that Africa from Summit, under the leadership of Julian Ashanti, NFA Kumasi for it was a national program. Number I'm coming. Eba, Miracle now we trend. Eba, no, wait, Eba. Medic, thank you. May I say, NFA now make a national authority. And I'm actually will say, Sabria Benemuka say, this is the first time a government of Ghana allocated NFA. This is the first time NFA. Any fund 20 million, yeah, President Mahama, and also, yeah, I think, and I'm going to is one of our achievements. Number 3, NFA, I have tax incentive policy. Yeah, over camera, over just the incentive and a nationwide. Sanya Manina, Tintin, Macopini himself. I just have parliament. I endorse once. They say, I go through parliament. Very soon, they will endorse a back, Silicha for you and Wagana. National Film Dialogue. National Film Dialogue. Yeah, must see for Aponya. No matter it was national. That was Enuna Minister attending Lilwin, a lot of people from Kumasi because it's national. What I want to say is so far, NFA are national programs. Among the regional program, the only regional programs here are sensitization on the airline. Yaya Baku Kumasi, Golden Bean Hotel. Yaya Golden Bean Hotel, Sinifu Abua, Ebi, I think we are Golden Bean Hotel, and a hair program. And watching Yaya Baku Tamani, and a hair Baku Accra. Beside airline.
First one, we have national. Second one, we have national.
I understand.
Yes, the first one was how dare you?
why is it about your mommy, Miss Rowe?
When I'm so close, I need to help you.
I will show them. Miss Rowe.
Who has a second for the fire?
Sweetheart, now with your mommy. Mother, man.
Oh, flow, Papa.
Who can't be the Mama Kumasi and put it here? So near to me, I can see you are Kumasi the Queen. You're brought to me on our Kumasi. I think I will. We are Babu, Accra. Who much me as I have been? Put your hands up. Put your hands up. Who are you? I can't tell who are you. Kumasi, and I'll be down. I took over the down. Kumawood, and I'm also back to
Yes, madam.
Yes, we are good. You're better than national.
I was your former servant, my man. Ashanti Rachel now Mr. Ewa Tam. Mr. Mr. Yes, I'm about to answer my yes, I'm about to what answer my Miss Ramon, I would say, in the other Mazan, Miss Ramon, for full stop to see her money. Miss Ramon, time I make front panel. Make catch up to say, and Commander, you know, the group that be a tabeto. And Lutina, the friend, what chairman. So one of the Commander, so I said, the brown, letting out one woman. To Madame, my baby, I had ye born and so. Member board chairman, Akasa, and Sana. But for 3 other questions, I will start open to the chairman Pato. Can you give your work in under 1 minute?
Kafa.
Together we build. Pato Kafa. Now what Jesus said, together we build.
Kafa, we don't this man.
Kafa. Together we build.
Kafa.
Together we build.
Kafa.
Together we build.
Kafa. Together we build. One more slide.
Hello, Evangelist Wadaroma. Patrol Chairman Ikasa. Chairman Ikasa, yes.
I'm sure they're interested.
Chairman Ikasa,
please. Go. With respect to our regional chairman, and say, baby, I agree. I'll see him say, oh, my baby, not on the side. I'm a chairman. We in the baby, how I said, now a stage now. I say, we are said, I was here, not on water. There's also a guy saying, you baby, and yet, I say, that yeka. His son said, Ghana, man, and then we see our regional minister is here. It's a Okasa, no, Casa baby, also Casa, and baby, a Casa. You're working in a white man, that's what I got. And say, Mr. Yamisha, the Oka, the board, the one. That's the winning. But more celebrate the school board. Then so come a board, then need to give them up. Now, like I said, calm down. Oh, say, Regional Minister Nyansa and Nimbium. When you say Ashanti, and Ashanti, your Kyekyeku, no matter where you send your order, in Tina, or to the staff NSA. Tanyina Otosumi, the Deputy Executive Secretary, no giant channel, was a man. There's all places who have some coming here, no attachments. And one of the pay, Abidjana, NFE, and the passion, the year with school, the year, what take, what she was saying, what the Aguma as agreement and the contract. Now, I share was saying, for many but yourself, no matter how boy, Mr. Musa. And facilitate see about meeting so the sense that you can't say in a church. Yeah, but command first our praying. So you are not work. Now you are in meeting. And I said, we can sing and I want to phone meeting of the Korean and to your dog prayer and anything. Ajobre. Meaning Ajobre. Ajobre. With us, and we hand over back. That you bring up a dear. The strong say, with us. I don't bring up a dear. On a day, your minister, you are, and if you bring your head, they say, on any opinion, on Casa, up like an toil. A fool, yeah, the papa in the area, or take up a test minister of her. After Mr. Gardner speaks, the next voice you will hear will be our regional minister. They will bring this session to a close.
Okay.
Because these are feelings are watching. And I was saying this, frustration among the it's in Pacho, and they can say, I just said you won't come see, you won't come here, but you want a simple swap won't come. Mr. Pamacho said, don't talk. Send the Wokaya and your bay, and I say, get chain and my Wokaya, son, you have a bay. Yano and here. It's in Pacho. And my Woka said, and your regional minister, and Agya say, I mean, Yawa, Yaba. It's in your Woka now, Pacho, it's you. Yabeko. It's something we want to complain about her. That started a year ago to manage. But I now think you have a show working. It's a 2 months here. Send your yet here when I don't the way up. We are emotional and over passion for the Jumano. Sounds like you see our passion, just like your Jumano hearing it. To Pamucho, to Marseille, and I obey Jumano. And I was
coming strong. And support. Madaroma. Baby, I had to be any more in Sabon coming to Nipani and San. As well as some question. Again, am I Nipani and San? At a former, and I be a man and only be covered and be Allegantus baby. But of my pay attention to some questions.
I will be 70, 23rd March this year. And that's it. Next year, next year, yeah, what I want to ahead of us. And I yes, next year, it can be next year Christmas. It's celebrating, yeah. Only one, and my name, not young prayer. pre akase ye be eso aba ibe no na se no so bia
that's it.
Yo, the better was for wine and the mountains. The better was a para for this filmmaking summit. Mr. James, I think somehow we do Kumasi, almost Kumasi and Shipper when it comes to film industry. Yeah, we always keep saying, Kumasi has been the citadel of filmmaking, not just a citadel, but a royal citadel of filmmaking. We say you can't move as someone and you're very passionate.
But your question no back open now wait to be answered. The show open now question here be and yet back open now.
Okay, let's go. Mr. Jacob, mine is now, I strongly believe that there will be a now, maybe a question I'll be person we say. Who say the National Film Authority, we've had meetings, we've had structures, who are to send them back. But Ashanti region, a problem I want is basically not about the structures, but as to how our best to maintain the film industry you have. We need an autonomous power to regulate. Because say a higher. Yet to me, the film industry that wants the National Film Authority. Or may I be my see a train set of the free Kayaba, or may I believe that some strengthened powers alone, not decentralize it, but for other people to regulate and that one and your man faster. That says here, Mr. Yamiche, and Mr. He said, there has been so many workshops here and there. But see a decentralized about not much the impact like what the chairman said. What the Kumawood like an example. Not empower Kumawood said, share and regulate the film industry in Ashanti region. I strongly believe said, we can handle that. And it's yet now said Accra. Decentralizing the system. Number one, autonomous power into some people meant to be regulating the system. I'm not meant to be a white. And that's the system. Education. So you may have SS way out and whatever. I want to hear your board secretary about how the media training when the capacity building is very important. Some of us, we have been teachers, we are still teaching, of course, as a filmmaker, director, and a teacher. Until how to groom the artist, drop one camera, and you're very, very important. I quite remember this same film, somewhere around 2000, before President Kufuor came to power. We organized an all-student seminar, and a drama fest. All the secondary schools, at that time, I went to be poor Kumawood. Kumawood, any more. Mr. Yamiche started here. It was way back, cultural center. Some of us went to the cultural center.
Now the one who see a
man passing through the stage. It's better. Sir, Agya, we teach you in here. And today, the film, young people, young people, who support Kumawood. They are taking on that right.
Last question. Mr. Amoya, I will some question straight away. As I'm ready. Madam,
the question now, revenues now, okay, but your government challenge watching. By seeing your friend TV, and will get me. Now, Mr. Zah, I say, anything, Emra, a Bovin, a Yaku. I'm a citizen of Sama. And all the Bovin TV stations, and what we need foreign content, more, Barbara, the local content, or we need an
And I say, and one more question, I mean, sure. I was your former my hair and Tamma. See, before they play with her, next week, we students and for her. I'm going to age in my dachshund. Sir, maybe why the war? Ain't your best, young man, your Bama students 4, and some random babies and questions. 4 students. To be Papa coordinators, no, Mama, now, almost many some more questions,
Well, that's a
but your students, 4. But your only student, Badaroma. I'm going to student to say here. What is it? I don't want to say it. Me picture back to one. Oh my, we can't be Sagaroma. I have a talk about what you're doing. I'm waiting that thing I was saying. Let me what is that? To patch off a microphone, never make money. Come here.
That's why your friend is trying to shoot my friend. That's what my son was saying. As a woman who is now Muslim, I am not ending. We can not put the same way. Storyline, starting in there, but ending, that would get the same thing. That's how I do vision. Because we have said it is scarcity. Because we have as a movie said, as a mature, as a movie said, almost 30 now, Nipple won't but more nice if a sample or more possible lesson or more time and trouble. For example, young man, the real one child. That's no trouble, but to see a woman, so as a movie channel, a movie channel up. To the same as I said, I want to do something.
Let us say, I'm sure.
Meaning to win that.
What I'm about to say, I don't know if you have a question or a suggestion, but you guys were saying that you guys had a national African,
National Film Authority.
I think last time in Kumawood, I follow what he said was something that all Africa is on. I buy it up you can't send it to Kumawood. But when it's maybe the national, we have other countries and other leaders who can bring it to Kumawood. That's all I like to say.
Thank you. Go ahead.
I am a pastor from Kumasi Academy. I am here to
So you are an opening.
Yes. I am here to make a request. My request is organization of workshop for members of drama. You already know there is a lot of drama group in our various schools, LGs. About 90% of students in drama groups won't like to venture into moving industry after SHS. But there's no workshop that is training us to do that job after SHS. So I would like that the movie industry, such as the actors and actresses, will come to our various schools and do some scouting and train us, motivate us to do that work. Because in schools like that, you're listening to some comments from the parents and you will stop dramatically. But some will say, as a candidate, you came to school to learn, not to join LG. But we want that motivation. They will say, hey, actors have come to the school, actresses have come to the school, all because of LG. So it will motivate the rest of them to come. So my request is to organize a workshop for SHS students so that we can join moving industry after second cycle institute.
Okay, thank you very much. Thank you. I want to start question way up here. If we say a regional minister to the person with one movie industry. Twitter, go ahead.
My question is, because that will be to be business and actually, and the guy papa as a program actually is students by the number of young what's to be seen at a many represent can say one that a woman said I'm going to I'm not from white because almost now there will be only such a talented people. Only to be a bat will be more of this. And then the African man will be so. So, we do on one. And my name will be on from my area. Rama, I'm not any to so, who pushes the area? If we are a baby, who will go to the class?
I'm Israel. And I'm going back.
Kyekyeku is my name. I attend school at Agya.
Mercy. So I will collaborate.
Actually, my question is, Kumawood when so much of looking now, Ashanti and I almost had to come, but I really and so now I'm going I said, so. What said I will be now? Almost I will be your my identity. Not to say to you, Bishop. The time for Mrs. Some my
yeah, that's it. Mature students, over to you.
I deal with I got the yes, like I'm not ecosystem. And the ecosystem, they are trying to go. And the good man is trying forward. But I think it's trying to forward. I want to know problem now as well. But I was
yeah, that's it. I'm Israel. Also, your man questions are more this and a mudo. Tia more quiet. Across the doctors next.
Please, I wanted to ask. It will be so but right now, pay agents now. After our career of my own, start the year some problem more. Actually, parents say, "Oh, what do you need to want?" They might have said, "You rest, I pay you home." The bigger financial split, they are the one or more after like old age, you know, I don't know.
Are you done? Okay, you two, you want to ask a question? It's okay. But you're a baby, double somebody. What's your answer, let's see. But I'll share movie industry in one. You're paying fear so. You're running the one here, you're papa. Now, if I ask you this, it was so sad. Company for you, she say, I am not finding it too. Now, you're quite a woman, chill my career, especially today, a man. You're about to James, over to your ball court. The Pacho, first question. Miracle is a copyright once and go to Kyekyeku and one money. Now I call asare be dia ko de so e dia mame na ye kosa.
First off, copyright assemble. The Kyekyeku before. Already, NFA has met with the copyright, NMC, NCA, and the Ministry of Communication. We are doing things to make sure we tighten up the space. But in our mandate currently, the way it is spelled out, so passing airline now and one parliament now. We cannot stand on our toes and punish the people who break the copyright laws. And that is why we are roping in the other people who in their mandates can give penal charges to anybody who goes against the copyright laws. So that is being done. Concerning the amount of foreign movies that are being shown on our screens, we have decided to strike a margin of 70-30. It is tentative for now. 70-30% meaning 70 Ghana content and 30 to foreigners. Yet we can say 100%. Say the percent obi share here. Sans ISS to be supporting profit here. O say yeah. That be a guy for sale. I feel here baby. Na ben kana be catch let me say. I think 27th of this March, we are meeting virtually every TV station in this country. We are starting the reforms. It's the best of the area to Wasia. Kakra and Akuko. It's the area copyright issue also. Yeah, but I can make up of so that I can really express myself. But oh yeah, you're better Kakra Kasa to say why.
If I tell a miracle question, or make he say, what trust several letters. Upgrade NFA. Say, we movie, we say, we this is happening. Munya Mushi, me was a book as I was sick. This I was about nice. Now, what do you pay Munya Mushi? The better will be forced to be about.
Okay, let's repeating the guy. In our mandates, until the airliner award parliament for mobile passing. We can't directly go about it. About drafting act, there were some areas that were not a problem then. But as a film, evolving, problems for about Emma what they can, but just for one.
I was another segment for discussion.
This is another one. Tell Oba, any answer, no school. Within the new at the coast of Brown Channel. Me a member of the NF. But we are parroting the movie. And you want to make a copyright and make a call. And friends say, ministries, they are in social. I'm not being listening. I'm not getting copyright law. If I'm a young idea, it's one young idea. End of the day, I can move. There's a timid. I want to know. Let our mom, let our mom, I can say, Asha. Of your way. And you know, not be any one, this is our young son, but it's a copyright law and young man.
Again, Mr. Kabiru, I guess you have to hold on. We don't deal with these things or these cases on individual basis. I understand your frustration. But you can say you get lost in such a way, say everybody will now have a place to go or a desk to attend to solve the problem. Because as it stands now, we don't have it. And that is why we are creating it. A problem I have told here, and it's a problem we are trying to correct. And that is why, again, we have series of meetings with NCA, which is in charge of literally every TV station in Ghana, with the new media commission, which also has to do even with content creators and skit makers and Kobia, with the copyright and the Ministry of Communication. We roped all of them in so that we are here and for civil law now. The communication departments are going to take care of it, we'll do our bits. The NCA is going to do their bit because there's going to be a desk. Any TV station that is flagged for showing anyone's content is going to bear charges. There are going to be charges that will go to the producer of the film. And should the act recur, that means that their license is going to be revoked. So we are working on it. Your letter was not sent to, and I apologize for that. I didn't personally come in contact with it. but there are things or measures being put in place to make sure we don't deal with situations like this on individual basis but on a collective basis. That's of course.
Thank you. I will take about the next question here about your man. Almost all schools, drama groups, they want the stars to come there and train them. So they can say, in line with regional minister, this one they move for the movie industry. They said, we are no my leaders.
To retreat as a family kind of American Kumawood Ashanti Film Association as part of their action plan for this year 2026. There were outreach there back the various secondary schools to train the next batch of stars. After this workshop, and after this summit, we are going to liaise with the GES. Now, answer the members of the authorization of the Ghana Education Service. In that authorization, now you say that you want secondary schools now. This year, secondary schools are what's you will see most of the stars coming to your schools to help train you.
Let's answer 3 questions in one. Just as Kumasi Academy also decided is in line with it. James Wadaruma, another question by yourself. To make the in iron crying. But you be a dance yes, Ashanti region, would be a waha if you feel from. Says here, I am and regional minister so, Yanya board. Share Kumawood Ashanti so. International Agya, tufo, say, who was sharing or why? To me now, the amount of 4 crying one. My one say the biggest sunny. Not every to my ever form, especially Ashanti region and I. If it's somebody Ashanti region, come on over to patch your one of my young fact, we know in Google.
Okay. Inclusion is key. Like I said, NFA is all about inclusivity. If back in the days, now share one and massive one and benefited from NFA procedures near the agenda. This time we're about to change it. Now we work on the laws of Parliament. Our act is in, like I said, the headline is in Parliament. With the current act that we're working on, there's nothing like what's the delegation of Bible say. Okay, so the autonomy is what I'm working on. There is an authorized act that we work on, which acknowledges all the essential heads in there. We're about to open a branch, or we're working on opening a branch here in Kumasi. When that happens, there's going to be an app, which is definitely going to be attending to that. But when you say decentralized, I don't know whether you mean in terms of leadership, because in terms of leadership and in the act, there can only be the executive secretary and everybody else that follows. But should there be, say, another branch of Kumasi, obviously there have to be people who understand and know the system here to make sure, say, and yes, say, back before we also that thing, Kumawood nursing. That is also in the plan. I think so. We should Kasafa agent fund. Omambeni John Romani Mahama has also made a promise. He made this at the launch of the Black Star Experience. And Oka said he's personally setting up a fund for the agent in the film industry. And that's something. And he's even started it. We started doing that. So that is something that is also already being worked on. Students know they were also asking about us empowering them so that the talents that they have from that stage will grow and their interest will still stay there. In my speech, I spoke about it. We have an agenda called the 1% agenda, where we are trying to grow 1% back of the agenda of the national population to fall in love again with the Ghana movies. And that includes starting from the very, very grassroots. Not even secondary, but where we want to start from is the secondary level, where we empower the students, we visit them and give them the necessary tools, i.e. the workshops that you are talking about will bring the experienced people to you and then break them down into where your interest falls in. It's going to be done on a regional basis, but again, yet to me, and yes, I the way you know, Semeka, and he said the biggest Sikana, Amaya integrating your class is what matters most. Omabegi has given us a whopping 20 million cities, and all of this is part of it. The capacity building is part. And yes, city quality babeja. It's a say, Ebeka, the younger ones who saw more industry because almost so ever baby for us to sustain their passion and their interest in the film is also important. And almost so we experience just for me to give you a little hint. Put me sorry anything say over the accessible fund. There has to be a process where you have to follow. And somehow me I just says you have to be registered with NFA for us to be able to keep it official and on record. But say it's this same monies and all the promises that the president has also put out there. Yeah, and I say a cop, yes, I'm because of my baby, Oshayabo, Ayaba. Message will say, Obia to the pass. The Chuman here, it might look say, check a crack. But Mama and Father, before they see a chill, and Messiah, the Chuman Yaba, they will say, and yet the thing. But you bet you know, the patrol here to us.
The Damonina was saying, "Watch over the room, Yadia Sita, Ebema, Reverend David Ofori, and to Kafa Board Chairman. Yadia Sita Bema, Yadia Bema, Zakaria Abdullah, ASOC Chairman, Ashanti Region. Nayade Aseda Kasiapa, Edia Mamia Bema, second in command, NFA, James Gardner, Ofori Crime Unity. Now, so then I'm a director, makeup artist, producer, Louise Lamise, and I had Mr. Emmanuel Obogu Anani Kafa Secretary. Say, Obobekane, who am I here to train and Kowe? I had another panel discussion. And I penny fuel and for SARS segment no family. Evangelist Samuel Akwasi Nyamekye. Yeniaba or Henry Messi, a CFO argument here. Yeniaba Ivanta Kwame Ajuman. Niamatina, Ejankatia, Wataruma, and a metro papa. And I'm Yeniaba Hassan. Isa Sampen Foy and I know what teachuma. Nayan and I see. There were questions here was because all I have of a Yen and I see Niamati Doctor Frank Kofi Amwako also by Babeka Panel Naya to change Comway. Na answer Naya Yebe chatting for meaning our background in Dacia 70. Ye na or say to secondary school for the Maya performance. Omuma performance really are near the second segment, as she just thank you for the necessary to suffer. Number 5, I'm Israel. DJ Pacho, Abra sensitive for the Guam or Madarama, Fanny Baku Chef Mammy, now over Guam or Hombra.
Yes, as the OT, people are putting their set up. My home power, I was yeah, better. Yeah, to the president of Properties Association of Ghana, 5-pack. Mr. Fifi Hayford. Fifi, are you here? I bring you with the other Ghana. I come on some later. Yeah. The 5-pack president is in the house. Yeah. Sylvester Ajiman is in the house. Presidential staffer. Okay, thank you. Sylvester Ejapon is a presidential staffer. Susanna is in the house. And then she will be a very
And Lord, I believe you were today, the 17th March, and the 5th time the Supreme Court sits on the case. Mr. Ampa and the family of the deceased, Mr. Chow. We hope that at the end of this hearing, justice is delivered. I am Julius D. Amako, reporting live from the Supreme Court.
Court in session. Counsel, any last submissions?
Yes, Your Honor. For over 4 years, the complainant has been unable to prove beyond reasonable doubt that my client is responsible for the death of Mr. Chow. To avoid further delay and waste of more time, we plead this honorable court sets my client free. His innocence must be allowed to return to school to continue studies and leadership duty. I rest my case.
Very well. Counsel, any last submission before I pronounce my rulings on this case?
Yes, Your Honor. I am aware of the extensive back and forth this case has required. However, today, I confidently say that great was worth it. We are all working towards the same goal, ensuring that justice prevails. Today, I cannot present today's honorable court. There is no ambiguity for. Your Honor, I promise to attest the war into this dance.
Do you know him? I'm sure.
But
Repeat after me. I. What? So let me swear that the evidence I shall give shall be the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth. So help me God.
Mr. Watson, kindly state your name and full name for your records.
My name is Watson. My name is
Very well. What happened and what do you know about everything that has happened?
Soon, the three of us started our meetings to lay down strategies on how to win this particular election. During our meetings, I would suggest clean ways to win by suggesting strategies such as 1. Providing shuttles for people to lectures. 2. Enforcing security personnel. 3. Ensuring there is free Wi-Fi on all corners of campus to enable flow of learning. Kunta would always interfere and say my ideas are outdated and archaic, and that strategies do not win elections nowadays, but actions do. He would go on to suggest actions, very bad ones such as 1. Pumping money into the system. 2. Buying people off, and if they refuse, we threaten them to back out. 3. Bribing the EC and his committee. And almost every time we met, there was a misunderstanding between us because we were never on the same page. One evening, when we got back from our usual campaign rounds, I tried advising Ambra to take Kunta out of our team, but he would have none of that. He had his own reasons. I stopped talking about it because my very good friend told me it is starting to look like I don't want him to win. I stopped talking about it and he slept. Early in the morning, my phone kept buzzing and ringing. Feeling very sleepy and lazy to wake up. But I had to pick up and know who was calling when the call kept ringing. When I picked up, the voice said, "Hello, Watson." I responded and the next thing I heard was, "Charles is dead." I was confused. Goodness, Charles? Who Charles? The speaker said, "Charles, of course, our competitor, the leader for the Student People's Party." Wow. Through this conversation, my friend Ambra was fast asleep. I told the person I don't believe it because just yesterday when we were doing our door-to-door campaign, we saw him also doing his and we even exchanged pleasantries. He ended the call and sent me pictures afterwards. When I saw the pictures of his dead body, goodness, I was broken. In a rush, I woke Ambra up and told him what had happened. We were both broken, or so I thought. I even asked Ambra who would do that and for what reason. Is it because he's the people's favorite as we see? We rushed out to go and see with our own eyes. Fast forward, one evening, when I was returning from lectures as usual, heading towards the hostel, I overheard Ambra talking on the phone with someone, so I eavesdropped, where he vividly said on the phone, "I didn't instruct you to kill him. I only said you should scare him into stepping down." These are his words. He looked very disturbed. At that point, I knew my friend was home, and any mistake from me would also put my life in danger. I hid outside for some time and made sure he was asleep before I went in. I took his phone and began my search. I took pictures of his chat and all the evidences I could find. I decided to be the change. I must say, I was shocked, terrified, and surprised. I couldn't even look my friend the same way again. Is this how hungry he was for power? Or could this be the influence of Kunta? I thought to myself. He was supposed to be the student voice. He was supposed to really change. We were the ones supposed to inspire our fellow students to be better. But how? How? I decided I would confront him and convince him to make amends, but how to wait till morning. That night, indeed, I found it so hard to close my eyes until I finally dozed off in my thoughts. At dawn, while fast asleep, I could hear someone tapping me. I was startled, but I woke up. It was Ambra waking me up. I was all sleepy, and all I could hear was he instructing me to wear my shirt and let's go escort him, for there was an emergency. Half conscious, I felt the rush and just followed him out until we got to an empty street, where there was no witness, and all I heard my friend say is, "Does this street look familiar to you?" It was then things started adding up. It was the same street Charles was killed. He brought out my phone and showed it to him. So he tried snitching on me as my friend entrusted one. I tried talking him out, but it was too late. He signaled, and boom, Kunta came out of the forest, holding a big stick. Before the action, he said, "I'm sorry, Martin. I can't have you in my life. You knew too much." I started pleading for him to spare me, and I promised not to tell anyone. He just couldn't trust me any longer. He signaled Kunta once again and left the scene. I guess he couldn't stand the sight of his only friend being brutally murdered. Kunta started beating me mercilessly. Goodness me, I tried breaking free by fighting back. Kunta hit me with a stick on my head twice and left me there, bleeding, thinking I'll bleed to death, thinking I wouldn't survive. He had to rush out because I think he noticed someone was coming in that direction. And yes, I wouldn't have survived if it wasn't for the passerby.
Wow! Agya! It is true! Yeah, you didn't tell me!
I'm still alive. Yes, Your Honor. As part of the testimony, they have been able to recover all lost images and printed them, tender eating as evidence. It has also come to our attention that his accomplice, Mr. Kunta, after hearing of the incident, has flew away from campus into hiding.
Yes, but I'm going to say my own food. I'm my idea. I'm my idea. Now, you're really son. To answer for so you're ready for 5 minutes. To almost ever to answer for. John Amuba, I'm going to do something small. It's all about Ashanti Festival. Filmmakers Summit 2026. Filmmakers are there relatively because they be seated. They be seated. Now, your boss player, Reverend Agosinya Mitchell, I can say, and someone can say to say back. About what say in the history of democracy, you know, original Mr. Ashanti original. I papa say. Dr. Frank Amakwene, Ebi Sita. Thank you. Say, okay, the woman you watch a bar. As I say, you have some years here, they can't get higher. Am I to you who you are? First, now, who do miracles from you do, who family, they have floats, they have programs, but then, I think so if you see each other on the ground and revive your spirit. Me, Auntie Mercy, me no business be. Me who me friend of family, me who my name who me see you round for my mercenaries. Me on my chair, say no for me go down my Dr. Cabra, I mean to doctor with all due respect. My mom is a CAB. I shall be boss of gold. But don't me for us, I have cash. Now make a gold board and go to me. Papa, America, I make us some way. The Friday, me invitation. I will do it. Sir, the new appointed regional minister of social producers, directors, and stakeholders. I was shocked because me share the profile move, you know. Just say, I'm say later me go check and say move number 5 back, but I need the phone. So Dr. Panye, now how can Obi Okuta medical background and friend? Well, but when we went to RCC that day, we said, Oyobia, why you move pen? No, I'll grab it. Because that day, no one said, miracle for me. That's what I can. So then you said, Dr. Frank, I'm working I reincarnated. Many person will sound, about no from sound and distorted. There are some harmonic effects. I'm saying, regardless of sound, show a man. Let us why first center, who was the original minister? Debia, Mayobia, as supporters, men first center line, men first touch line, they must score hard trick. I've been admiring for long. Mr. Obika said, oh, minister, I TikToker. Excuse me, the man is a creative arts-oriented person. So what did that talent now? What do you do at TikTok? Though maybe I get money over. But what is the major aim of TikTok? It's another source of communicating, to entertain, to inform, and to educate. It will also be you don't know what you are talking about. Because the President of the Republic of Ghana, His Excellency John Dramani, I'm going the answer for the Bahama. Apo Kumawood. Parliament Kumawood. I just say Kumawood. True. It's much like I said, the Messiah, or the Kumawood and the Airport. I relax, I don't want to see money. Thank you very much. Let's give it up for Thomas City High School. We are ready.
Listen, this is not a complaint center, but rather a governance. Good. Write them out.
Is this the future we're studying for? I think it is class. These are not lazy students. These are ignorant.
My cabinet, the country is in debt. The country doesn't have money to pay its workers.
Finance Minister, Mr. President, it's all because there's no productivity in our country. And again, we import everything.
Sorry, my captain, but the source of our hardship is because we are ignored.
Young lady, listen, this will be the very last time. Mention it that way. So,
then we must go to the World Bank and plead for a loan. I will travel on this next week. The governor, my country needs loan to pay its job workers.
We will grant you this loan, but on one condition.
And what is that?
Hand over your oil.
The governor, but you know that what you are asking for can't be granted.
Then we are sorry. We can't grant you this loan.
So what am I going to tell you? How are we going to pay this debt? And my friend was on this. My cabinet, the World Bank is requesting for half of our oil before they grant us the loan.
Mr. President, what are you waiting for?
Have you thought about our future?
What future are you talking about, Mr. President? You are the president, so let's talk about today, not tomorrow.
My purpose, this meeting is an agenda. We will find solution to this in our next meeting.
One question. Why is our students and youth suffering in silence? We don't want pity. We want empowerment.
Empowerment breeds rebellion.
No, sir. Neglect breeds distraction. Empowerment creates agents of change.
Finance Minister, Deputy Minister, please excuse me.
We don't want hunger. We want faith. We want responsibility. We will end our program here, and we hope the meeting gets to the president.
Show me the
Mr. President, the Youth-Led Innovation Program is a program designed for productivity. The use of recycling material, such as bottles and spoons, can be recycled and reused again. This can help our economy and also sustain our productivity.
You urge my brother, and I urge you to start the project now. Thank you, Mr. President.
They can sew up to 5 paragraphs in a day. Wow, that's impressive, guys. With the use of recycling material. Wow, look at this. And this is also the slipper making factory. They can make up to 25 pairs of slippers in a day. They are I know what you do. Mr. President, with this initiative has helped our economy and also sustain the country.
Mr. President, nowadays there have been a lot of productivities and economy is stable. How come?
Because we export our goods nationwide.
The youth rep is here once again. She's here to update us.
This is what we wanted. We wanted space. All thanks to the president.
A country that silences students is digging its own grave. Youth will not beg for job opportunities. They will create for solutions. You are not the problem. You are the game changer.
Empower the youth. Drive positive change. Secure Ghana's future. Ghana's youth are not leaders of tomorrow. They are agents of change today. Thank you.
And somebody will form. Acting, they easy crowd. Emre Ko, DJ, Wadaroma, Abraham is saying program. How they look back with your mama. Yeah, back the next segment of discussion. Aha, any idea? And Komaya Yedi, and when they eat pa to the Samu Obia and Asum. Said I could see some questions, you bet to me at the salon. The second segment, so the United States brand call. A question and I have the visa. The best ceremony. Who can't go to question? Who will be so design a question? Because you want to put the second segment, you have to answer questions. To the head of war child, imagine the mind goofy. The ceremony, I need to be to DJ Man and Command.